Hello again, friends. Today we're going to continue our work with decoding multi-syllable words into two different syllable patterns. Let's review our rules from the other day. Remember, if you have a long vowel, such as vowels that say their name, like A, E, I, O, and U, in a word, the vowel is going to end the first syllable. That means after the word, you are going to put a line or chunk the word after that long vowel. However, if you have a short vowel, remember these do not say their name. These are the vowels. These are the vowel sounds a, I, and u. Remember? These, you're going to skip to the next letter, which is the consonant, and that's going to begin your break or end of your first syllable in your words. Let's practice a little bit. All right, I have two words, pilot and lemon. Okay, let's listen to how I say the word pilot. P-I-lit. Pilot. Do you hear what I hear in that word? I hear the long vowel I. Pilot. Therefore, I must have to chunk the word after the first syllable or at the end of the first vowel. I says its name, pilot. Let's look at the next word, lemon. Lemon. Is that a long E we hear, or is that a short E? Let's check. I'm hearing a short vowel sound because it does not say its name. Therefore, I'm going to cover up the last part of the word after that first syllable. Lem-un is how we're going to chunk that word. Lemon. Two syllables, but this time I'm going to chunk it after my first consonant after the vowel. All right, remember these rules? Here we go. We're going to practice with some of these words. We are going to practice with the words olive, robin, speaker, and tiger. What I would like you to do is to pause this video, and then with your learning guides, I would like you to see which ones you would chunk as a long vowel and which words you would chunk as a short vowel using these two rules up above. Ready? You're going to pause this video. You can even write these words down if you'd like. Chunk them in the right spots and then come back to my video to check your work. Ready? Here we go. How'd you do, guys? If you said the short vowels where the consonant ends the first syllable with olive and robin, you were correct. When I hear the word olive, I hear the ah sound in olive. I don't hear the O sound. Therefore, I'm going to break it after that consonant, the L. Same thing with the word robin. When I hear the word robin, I hear a short O. I do not hear the O that says its name. The long vowel words that I have are speaker. Do you hear the E sound, the long E? Therefore, I break it apart after the vowel sound. Same thing with the word tiger. Do you hear how the I says its name? T-I-ger. There's our rule. We're going to break it apart after that vowel, which is going to be our first syllable break. T-I, tiger. Get it? I think you guys are starting to catch on. You have done a great job today working on decoding multi-syllable words. I would like you to practice using your decodable readers. Now we're going to go and we're going to read a couple of these to practice some of these words in context. Great job today, friends.